Do you play sports? Yes, I do. I really love basketball. Do you play on a team? Yes, but we do not play in winter. Do you play in summer? Yes, we play in spring and summer. Do you play at the gym in town? No, we play at a high school. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. What about you? Do you? I don't have a cat, but I have a dog. Nice. Do you have a big yard? Yes, I have a big yard, so it is perfect for my dog. Yeah, I don't have a yard, so I can only have a cat. Do you cook much? Yes, I cook all the time. Do you cook? No, I don't like to cook very much. Oh, so do you buy your dinner? Yes, I buy it at the supermarket. Do you buy dinner every night? Yes, I never cook. Wow, that is expensive. Do you live downtown? Yes, I live near the station. Do you take the train to work? Yes, most days. What about you? I live far away, so I drive to work. Do you have a nice car? No, my car is old, but I like it.